to call for a taxi. Hey, boyfriend, I need to go to the bathroom. Wait for me here. Okay, okay. You can escort me there, my love. I love you too. Huh? Tabby?
So, we finally meet after 1 year of hiding. Wait, who are you? So, you already started dating another guy. Yet another victim, huh? Listen, girl. This is my battle, not yours. Just let me end this all. Leave! You do realize she is just using you, right?
Three, two, one, go! Beep, bop, bop, beep. Beep, bop, bop, beep. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, beep, bop, 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 bop. Beep, bop, bop, beep. Bop, 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 bop.
How do you not understand that she is just using you for her own success? Like she used me once. Now look who I am. Just a floating skull with an invisible body. I've lost everything! This is your last chance to leave. I won't stop until I get my hands on that little brat. Leave now or face the consequences. Very well then. I didn't want it to end this way. But I guess I will just kill the both of you!
Three, two, one, go!